Hi, this is the second video for Week 1, Topic 7, Simultaneous Equations. This is the second of two videos for Topic 7 and covers the substitution method. These videos are intended to help you with the basis in arithmetic and algebra that you will need for future topics in this course. We recommend that you watch this video with your pen and paper and pause at the relevant times to try the examples for yourself. Simultaneous equations substitution method. So this is an alternative method. We've already looked at the elimination method. And here we're going to be using this substitution method. We have 5 steps. So first we choose one of the equations and we arrange it to make one of the variables the subject of the equation. So it might be a y equals or an x equals, whatever we're doing there. Then we substitute this rearranged equation into the other equation in place of that variable. Step 3, we solve the new equation to determine the solution for the remaining variable. Step 4, substituting the solution from step 3 into one of the original equations to solve to find the other variable. And then step 5, check the solution for the two variables by substituting the values into one or both of the equations and confirming that this equation is true. So essentially, steps 3, 4, and 5 are the same as what we used in the elimination method. The only variation is how we solve to find a value for that first variable. So looking here at two different equations, we'll say equation 1 and equation 2. Our whole idea is to get one of these to be the subject. Here we've got 2x and we've got y, so it'd be easier to make y the subject. We've got 2x plus y is equal to 10. If we minus 2x from both sides, here 2x minus 2x, y is equal to 10 minus 2x. So this is our equation 1 rearranged. We now substitute this y. Here we know if y is equal to 10 minus 2x, we can put 10 minus 2x here instead of this y in equation 2. So we have here equation 2, 4x minus 10 minus 2x is equal to 8. So 4x minus 10 minus times a minus, so plus 2x is equal to 8. 4x plus 2x is 6x minus 10 is equal to 8. We're going to add 10 to both sides. 6x is equal to 18. We divide both sides by 6 and we get x is equal to 3. So we got x is equal to 3, our first solution. We've already got equation 1 set up to find what y is equal to. So we're going to say, well, y is equal to 10 minus 2x. Y is equal to 10 minus 2 times 3. So y is equal to 10 minus 6. Y is equal to 4. So we've got x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4. We can substitute into either of these original equations. So we might look here, we'll put it into equation 2. 4x minus y equals 8. So here 4 times 3 minus 4 equals 8. Here we've got 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. 8 is equal to 8. So we know we got both of these solutions correct. Exercise 1.7.4. We want to use the substitution approach again to solve these simultaneous equations. We'll number our equations so that we know what we're doing with this. Here we've got 4x, we've got x. So this one will be easy to change around. Or here we've got 2y and 2y. If we just rearrange one of those to be the 2y, we don't need to rearrange the rest of it there. But we could do this either, so it doesn't. So here we've got 4x plus 2y equals 20. If we minus 4x from this side and minus 4x from this side. Here we've got 2y is equal to 20 minus 4x. We can divide it all by 2 and we can say, well, y is equal to 10 minus 2x. Here, and so now that's here our equation 1. If we go into our equation 2, we've got x plus 2y, so 2 times y is 10 minus 2x is equal to 17. X plus 20 minus 4x equals 17. So here we've got minus 3x plus 20 equals 17. So we can here, if we add 3x to both sides, 20 equals 17 plus 3x, and we subtract 17 and subtract 17. 3 is equal to 3x and x is equal to 1. If we go back to our equation 1 here, y is equal to 10 minus 2 times 1. Y is equal to 10 minus 2, so our y is equal to 8. So now we'll come back to our equation 2 and substitute our values in. We've got x plus 2y is equal to 17. 1 plus 2 times 8 equals 17. 1 plus 16 is equal to 17. So 17 is equal to 17. So we know we got this one right. Exercise 1.7.4. We've got here our two simultaneous equations. We've got 8x minus 2y is equal to 40 and 8x minus 6y is equal to 32. If we take our equation 1, 8x minus 2y equals 40. If we add 2y and add 2y, we get 8x is equal to 40 plus 2y. If we substitute this 40 plus 2y directly in for our 8x, here we get 40 plus 2y minus 6y equals 32. So here are 40, here 2 minus 6 is minus 4y equals 32. If we add 4y and add 4y, 40 equals 32 plus 4y minus 32 and minus 32. 8 is equal to 4y. Dividing by 2, we get y is equal to, so dividing by 4, we get y is equal to 2. So now we come back to our equation here. 8x equals 40 plus 2 times 2. 8x is equal to 44. So if 8x equals 44, we divide by 8 and we divide by 8. X is therefore 5.5. So if we look at equation 2, 8x minus 6y equals 32. 8 times 5.5 minus 6 times 2 equals 32. 8 times 5.5 is 44. Minus 6 times 2 is 12 is equal to 32. So 32 is equal to 32. So we got this one right. So looking at number 3. Here we've got 2x plus 4y is equal to 46 for equation 1 and x plus y is 16 for equation 2. So here we've got single values of x, so this equation 2 is easier for us to work with initially. If we subtract x and subtract x, we get y is equal to 16 minus x. If we take this back to equation 1, we've got 2x plus 4y is equal to 46. So here 2x plus 4 times our y is 16 minus x is equal to 46. So we've got 2x plus here we've got 64 minus 4x is 46. 2x minus 4x is minus 2x. So 64 minus 2x is equal to 46. So if we add 2x to both sides here, we get 64 is equal to 46 plus 2x. 46. So we minus 46 from both sides. Here we get 18 is equal to 2x. We divide by 2, x is equal to 9. And we come back to our equation 2. So y is equal to 16 minus our x, which is 9. Y is therefore equal to 7. So x is 9, y is 7. If we go back to our equation 1, 2x plus 4y is equal to 46. So 2 times 9 plus 4 times 7 equals 46. 2 times 9 is 18, plus 4 times 7 is 28, is 46. 18 plus 28 is 46. So we got this one correct there. Continuing on for number 4. So here we've got minus 2x plus 6y is 90 for equation 1. 3x plus 3y is 21 for equation 2. So this one is going to be an easier one to work with, this equation 2. we have 3x plus 3y is equal to 21, we see all of these are factors of 3. 3 divided by 3. So we're going to have x plus y is equal to 7. So this is a much nicer one for us to deal with. So if we can find our x or our y here, so we can say, well, here minus y and minus y, x is equal to 7 minus y. So now coming back to our equation 1, we've got minus 2x plus 6y is equal to 90. So here x is 7 minus y, so we put minus 2, we've got 7 minus y plus 6y is equal to 90. Negative 2 times 7 is minus 14. Negative 2 times negative y is plus 2y, plus 6y is equal to 90. So here we've got minus 14 plus 8y is equal to 90. So we can plus 14 to both sides here. So 8y here is equal to 104. If we divide by 8 and divide by 8, here we're going to get y is equal to 13. So now we come back and we find our x. X is equal to 7 minus 13. So here 7 minus 13 gives us minus 6. So we go back to equation 1 and we substitute in. We've got minus 2 times x is minus 6, plus 6 times y, which is 13, is equal to 90. Here negative times a negative is a positive, so we get 12 plus 6 times 13 plus 78 is equal to 90. So here 78, so we get 90 is equal to 90. So we got this one correct.